Good morning, guys. It's currently 6:45 in the morning, and as you can see, we're surrounded with a beautiful view. Today is a Monday, and after drinking my coffee and reading the daily thoughts, I started to reflect and understand how every single day we get this opportunity to do something good with our day, to achieve something that we have not achieved yesterday. And every day it's a different opportunity, regardless of yesterday's loss and wins. Today you still have to show up. Today is a brand new day. I mean, yes, you might have achieved something yesterday that was good to achieve. However, we don't carry over our losses or wins from the day before. And every day we get to get a fresh start. If today you got $1 million, you still have to show up to the gym, eat healthy, and these kind of things. So just serves as a reminder how we still have to maintain our life day in, day out, regardless of winning or losing. And it's the compounding 1% that add up in the long term to a better win. So yeah, it's Monday. Most people are going back to their 9 to 5, and maybe you hate your job, maybe you hate what you're doing, but you can change it. You can start today and change what you're doing. You can improve on your life. You can improve on your fitness. It's a new opportunity. What are you waiting for? You get the chance to start every single day, regardless of what's in here. This hotel, we're on the seventh floor. This hotel probably took months to build, but with the compounding effort that the builders put by laying one brick at a time, they made it happen. And the same analogy can be applied to your life. You can build anything in your life that you want to build by laying one brick at a time, laying a good foundation, laying a good foundation of discipline, habits, and then you're constantly building on top of it day in, day out. The results that you see on social media, the results you see of successful people are not overnight success. And that's bullshit. The results that you see took years and years and years of effort to build. So it's the compounding effort, guys. It's the compounding effort. And you also have to keep in mind that you should also, once in a while, ideally every day, be grateful for what you have. Be grateful and appreciate what you're surrounded with, the environment, the friends, the family, the your discipline, everything. Because sometimes it's very easy to get stuck up in what you want to achieve but not appreciate what you already have. And you probably have quite a lot to be grateful for. So this morning, I'm grateful for waking up healthy. I'm grateful for being where I am. I'm grateful for having a nice cup of coffee and its beautiful view. I'm grateful for friends, family, my health. I'm grateful for that I woke up on time and now I will go to the gym. I'm grateful for the hard work that I've put into achieving my physique. So now I feel confident, for example. I'm grateful for everything. So, yeah, we've come far. We've come really far. And that's what you should be grateful for. Look back and understand What have I achieved in the last 5 years? And write them down. So, just a daily reminder to each and every one of you to appreciate what you have. And just a beautiful life. Life can be really beautiful, guys. I mean, so as we wrap up a quick video, I want you to keep in mind your purpose, what defines you, what drives you forward each and every day. And I want you to be purpose fueled each and every day, because at that level it's hard to stop. And yeah, just be purpose driven. Just find your purpose. Find what that spark in you drives you forward to, and keep on grinding. You have to show up every day in, day out. I'm on holiday here today, and you'll see me do some work. So it's part of life. So guys, I'm gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you have a beautiful week ahead, and keep in mind what we just talked about. See you guys in the next one.